It's a little cold today, it's about 40 degrees. I figure I'd give the tractor project a break, come back, do some sawmilling, see how it goes when it's a little bit colder. So I came up to log pile here. I have a mixture of wood. We have some black walnut here and here, and we have more locust there. So I'm going to try, there was a small 6-foot log on top of black walnut. I haven't really cut much of this yet. So I figured I'm going to pop this little guy on here. See if we can make maybe some 5/4 boards out of it. We got a little bit of end grain checks because I didn't get a chance to coat these in time. So we'll see how far deep that goes. Don't mind the sirens. They go do Santa Claus on the fire trucks around here, so they're out driving around handing out candy canes. All right, I'm looking down. I think it would be the large side of the log. We have a pith crack here, so I'm going to try to place that in a horizontal orientation. We're going to go down and take a look at the other side and see. Yeah, the cracks don't quite align. This one's more vertical. And that one's more horizontal. So I guess we'll just make a decision, probably go with this one horizontal since it's the larger looking crack. It's kind of a small guy, but I don't feel like lifting anything heavy today, so this will be enough fun for today's project. Since it's going to be about 25 degrees tonight, instead of using water in my sawmill, I got a couple gallons of windshield washer fluid. Says it's good to -20. So I'm gonna pop this. I already have this drained, my water tank drained out in a little RV antifreeze in there. So I'm gonna put in the windshield washer fluid and use that as my lubricant. This way, if it freezes, it won't cause any damage. Okay, she hasn't been started in quite a few weeks now, and it's about 40 degrees, so this might be not bad. to do here, I'm going to look and see the bark's at 14 inches at the lowest point. So if I set my blade 14 inches off the bed, I should be able to get most of this bark gone. Okay, what I decided on was to just square up the log. There's a little bit of bark left on this, but I wanted to keep as much width as I could. You know, the top couple boards are gonna have a little bit of wane, I guess, in it. But we have right here, this is that crack we referenced in the beginning. I'm back in the horizontal plane because I figure if this crack's gonna continue down a little bit, I could probably capture it all in 1 or 2 boards rather than, and then I'll have a bunch of extra better boards. So right now we're looking at, this sucker's about, let's say 9 3/4, which is pretty square, by 8 3/8 and 8 3/8. So we're going to try to go 5/4, and we'll see what we get out of this guy here. I'm just guesstimating we'll probably get 7 boards or so out of it, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Just got a kind of a cool idea. I'm going to set this up in time lapse. I'm going to take a break and sit by the fire, and maybe we'll be able to see the color change of the wood. I'm going to give that a try. Okay, time lapse is finished, and it looks like to me you could see the color change. So I guess we'll see what happens when I put it on the computer. I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting these all 5/4 until I run out of wood. It's getting a little bit late, we're losing daylight, so we'll finish it up.